Hey, Tom here from Python Industries. I'm very excited to be here with you today to show you my new patented Giant Grasshopper. It will hold 10 to 15 pounds of flour or trim. It is about 20 times faster in processing and kiefing than any of the tumble trimmers on the market. The way that it works is you put your flours in through this door on top here. You start vibrating, then you open up the CO2 valve for about 3 or 4 seconds. You continue vibrating for 2 or 3 minutes, and all of the spent trim is going to come out over here into this bag, and all of your beautiful high quality kief will come out over here. The Giant Grasshopper comes with a 40 micron screen, an 80 micron screen, a 120, and a 150 micron screen. So if you're in the market for a high quality, high volume kief machine, the Giant Grasshopper is the machine for you.